section, we will tackle about the functions of modal verbs in the sentence. But first, what is modal verbs? Modal verbs are sets of distinctive forms of verbs expressing the speaker's attitude regarding the action, intention, or condition conveyed. These verbs are used to express the tense, mode, voice, or aspect of another verb in the sentence. They may also be called auxiliary or helping verbs. These are some of the examples of the modal verbs.
May. May is used in asking permission for one to do an act. For example,
Please, can I go out?
Yes,
might. The past tense of may is used to express a conditional possibility. For example, if it does not rain, I might go to the party.
Can. Can is used to express the ability to do something. It expresses one's physical capability to perform an act. For example, I can do it. Can a girl carry a cavin of rice? Could. Could, the past tense of can. Can used to express politely a request to do something. For example, could I place this book on the table?
Shall. Shall is used in the first person. Shall indicate simple future. It expresses no certainty or compulsion to do something. For example, I shall come back tomorrow. If used in the second person or third person, shall expresses strong determination, compulsion, obligation, or necessity to do or not to do. For example, thou shalt not steal. No person shall be put in prison without due process of law. Should. The past tense of shall is used to express an obligation, duty, expectation, or future condition. As a chairman, I should preside over the meeting.
Will, if used in the first person, expresses strong determination or resolute promise to do or not to do. For example, I will marry you whatever happens. If used in the second or third person, will expresses simple future time. For example, she will arrive tomorrow.
Would. The past tense of will is used to express polite request, supposition, or condition. For example, would you please open the gate?
Must is used to express necessity, requisite, or probability. Example, you must secure your permit before taking the examination. Ought is used with the infinitive to. It expresses obligation, duty, or desirability. Example, as a father, you ought to send your children to school.
Rules for modal verbs are used to indicate likelihood, ability, advice, permission, habits, and obligation. Add not after the verb is used to make a verb negative. Modal verbs come before the subject in questions. Modal verbs do not change form according to the tense. There is no s added to the verb. Infinitives verb without to are used right after the modal verb.
That ends our grammar tutorial today. So I hope you have learned something from our grammar tutorial. So don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. See you next week!